Are Hubcentric wheel spacers safe for off-road?
For most owners, the major reason to run 4x4 spacers is to solve the clearance issue and improve off-road performance.
If they are high-quality wheel spacers and you are not driving at excessively high speeds, then they are fine. And as always, it also greatly helps if you have Hubcentric wheel spacers.
Hubcentric Land Rover Defender wheel spacers can create a firm and stable wheel connection. It is this compact point that bears the weight of the vehicle. The wheel locks are designed to secure the wheels with a clamping force when the vehicle is cornering. They are not strong enough to support the weight and loads generated through the wheel. You'll eventually need Land Rover Defender wheel spacers with integrated Hubcentric rims to ensure safety. To further optimize the Hubcentric connection, BONOSS Forge Active Cooling Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are designed with built-in multi-stage Hubcentric lips. They are designed to fit the actual vehicle hub shapes. The Hubcentric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers fit the corresponding hub flat, which eliminates any possible gaps. Such BONOSS multi-stage Hubcentric wheel spacers will not change the original wheel fastening method. The wheels are wheel balanced so that there will be less chance of vibration.
If you want to get this BONOSS Hubcentric wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.